Hello, welcome to this video. Today we will be opening the United Airlines Boeing 777, Boeing 747, and airport playset. Let's start by looking at the boxes and their pictures on the back. This is a Boeing 777. It is 1 to 500 scale, and like all of the other planes, in the back looks like this. This is the Boeing 747. It's also 1 to 500 scale like all the others, and the back looks like this. This is the Boeing 777 in the airport playset. It is finally like every last one, 1 to 500 scale. The back looks like this with every single piece of it in it, and it's at an airport. Let's open the planes. Let's start with the Boeing 747. Now looks like this. It is a pretty big. It's the biggest United plane made by Daron in the 1 to 500 scale, and the biggest United plane in the world, because United doesn't fly A380s, and that's the only bigger plane I think they'd be able to fly because they're not a cargo airline. Let's now open the United Airlines Boeing 777. The United Airlines Boeing 777 is a smaller version. It's another United Airlines plane. The bottom looks the same, pretty much, and it's the other United Airlines plane made by Daron. There aren't any wing flaps on this like there are on the 747, and there's only one jet engine on each side and not two, but that's not much of a problem with anyone, right? And then the bigger deal, the airport playset, which the plane, same as the Boeing 777, so I don't think you want me mentioning it again. These suitcases, which are totally out of scale like all of the other equipment that come with the airport playset. The plane's ahead sign, which I haven't seen at an airport, but I'm betting they have. The runway sign, which I have seen at an airport, and I'm very certain every last airport has it, because an airport without a runway isn't even an airport. The cones, which are both the same, which I've also seen at an airport, and you don't need cones for it to be an airport, but it's very likely to have them. The buckle up sign, which I don't think exists in the world, and basically it's the only square sign of this box. The windsock sign, which is pretty much the only triangle sign in the final sign we're opening. The arrivals and departure sign, which has arrows pointing both directions. I think that you see it like around the parking area, but I might not be right. The United Airlines like thingamajig catering truck, I think, that has these things that move up. It's a first out of 2 vehicles that are in the set besides the plane. And finally, the last thing we'll be showing, the United Airlines double-decker bus. The bottom looks pretty comfortable. I really wish I could be in the bottom of that, but I'm betting you do also. Bye.